my 928. What happened to it? It's pretty sad. It's a sad day. It's just,
At least it didn't happen on the highway.
yeah, at least it didn't happen on the road. You know, it happened right here in the parking lot, which I'm actually really lucky. This is a 44-year-old car. 44-year-old parts, you know, they're destined to fail at some point. So today we are going to be replacing the ball joint on this beautiful 928. It is a 6-point socket. Only the best tools. This is Wilson. Yes, indeed, that is what we want. Oh, wait,
It looks like you could use upper ball joints too.
yeah. Probably just needs only suspension.
Oh, if you're gonna keep it and you drive it.
Yeah. There it goes.
All right.
Okay.
Well, you're gonna get it aligned anyway.
Yep. Gonna need to. You can see what happened there.
Just snapped off there. Yeah. Stretch a fast corner or anything else.
Let's get the new one.
I'm sure the purists would have something to say about that.
Yeah. But that's it. I am an amateur.